Hello students, how are you? I am PN Tiwari and you are watching my YouTube video channel PNT Sir Motivational Speech for Success in Life. Dear students, in our last video lecture we have done classification of halogen derivatives of an alkane. Today I will explain you about isomerism in haloalkane. So note down your copies. Isomerism in haloalkane. What is the meaning of isomerism? How can we define isomerism? Dear students, if two or more organic compounds have the same molecular formula, but if they have the different structural formula, physical and chemical properties, then these are called isomers of each other, and this phenomenon is called isomerism. And in haloalkane we can be observed three different kinds of isomerism. Chain isomerism, position isomerism, and optical isomerism. So in haloalkane we can be observed these three different kinds of isomerism, and these are chain isomerism, position isomerism, and optical isomerism. Dear students, today I will explain you about chain isomerism and position isomerism in haloalkane. So listen carefully and note down in your copies. How can we explain chain and position isomerism in haloalkane? Dear students, suppose if we are given a haloalkane with the molecular formula C4H9Br, then with the help of this molecular formula we can draw different structural isomers. The first structural isomer with this molecular formula will be CH3, CH2, CH2Br. So what is the position of bromine in this organic compound? Bromine present on first position. Therefore, its IUPAC name will be 1-bromobutane. 1-bromobutane. Suppose without changing the position of this functional group bromine, if we change the nature of carbon chain, then one more isomer can also be prepared with the same molecular formula, and it will be CH3, CH3, CH2Br. And dear students, how can we write its IUPAC name? In IUPAC, this compound is called 1-bromo 2-methylpropane. 1-bromo 2-methylpropane. And my dear students, if without changing the nature of carbon chain, if we change the position of this functional group bromine in this carbon chain, then one more isomer can also be prepared with the same molecular formula, and it will be CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3. So now IUPAC, this compound is called 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane. And suppose if we change the position of bromine in this organic compound and also change the nature of carbon chain, then the fourth isomer can also be prepared with the same molecular formula, and it will be CH3, CCH3, single bond Br, single bond CH3. So how can we write its IUPAC name? In IUPAC, this compound is called 2-bromo 2-methylpropane. 2-bromo 2-methylpropane. So chalo, with this molecular formula C4H9Br, we can draw the structure of these four structural isomers of this haloalkane, one bromobutane and two bromobutane. Since they have the different position of functional group but the same nature of carbon chain, straight chain, therefore these are called position isomers of each other. And in one bromobutane and one bromo 2 methyl propane, since the position of functional group is same but the nature of carbon chain is different, therefore one bromobutane and one bromo 2 methyl propane, these are called chain isomers of each other. And no doubt this fourth isomer, it is called both chain and position isomer of all these organic compounds. So with the C4H9Br, four structural isomer can be prepared, and these are one bromobutane, two bromobutane, one bromo 2 methyl propane and two bromo 2 methyl propane. Dear students, out of these four compounds, look at this third compound. In this third compound, since this second carbon is surrounded by four different groups and atoms, ethyl group, methyl group, hydrogen and bromine. Therefore this carbon atom is called chiral center because it is surrounded by four different groups and atoms, and this organic compound will be optically active. So in our next video lecture, I will explain you about optical isomerism in haloalkane, and this video lecture will be very important for your board exam preparation, optical isomerism in haloalkane. So why this compound is optically active? Because it has a chiral center. What is the meaning of chiral center? The carbon atom which is surrounded by four different groups and atoms is called chiral center, and those organic compounds which have at least one chiral center, they will be optically active and they can be rotate the plane of polarized light either to the right hand side or to the left hand side. So in our next video lecture, I will explain you about optical isomerism in 2-bromobutane. But in this video lecture, I will give you a homework for you. So note down your copies. What is your homework? Dear students, prepare halogen classification of halogen derivatives of an alkane, and in our next video lecture I will take a small test on the basis of halogen derivative of an haloalkane. Okay.